You need to know that Johnson designed its self-leveling rotary laser level system for vertical and horizontal use. This product is basically catered to accomplished tradesmen and homeowners as it can work well with both indoors and outdoors. It's quite user-friendly. You just simply need to unlock the transportation lock and turn it on, and the laser will level by itself on the X or Y axis. This locking technology protects inner pendulum during transportation. This laser projects a red light beam with 360 degree with a max distance of 800 feet. With the claimed measurement accuracy of plus or minus 1/8 of an inch. It also incorporates 3 rotational speeds of 200, 400, and 600 RPM. The slower rotational speed helps intensify beam visibility, whilst the higher speed is used for outdoor use with the detector. The laser self-levels in horizontal planes while it has to be manually leveled in vertical applications. Johnson has done a good job offering to its customers with a durable and high-impact product that is job site tough, as it is an enclosed beacon that protects the inner components from water and dirt. This product comes packed with 4 AA alkaline batteries. Another interesting thing, it also has audible and visual alarms which go off when it is beyond leveling range. It can be mounted on wall or a tripod. It has 3 years warranty and is returnable in 90 days.